Painting, where dreams come to life on canvas. Our program is designed to nurture artistic talent, one brushstroke at a time. Over the course, students learn fundamental techniques, explore their creativity, and develop a unique style. We focus on the basics of composition, color theory, and different painting mediums to give students a strong foundation. Seeing our students grow as artists is incredibly rewarding. Each one of them has a story to tell through their art. As the program concludes, we celebrate the students' journey by showcasing their artwork, a testament to their creativity and hard work. To all our young artists, keep painting, dreaming, and creating. Thank you for making this journey so colorful.
Learned so far now?
I
So far we learned mix and media, but I like to say about pencil shaving. This is very easy to blend and very easy to erase and write, but we should not erase and we should not scrub with our hand, and tissue or cotton we should use. So far we learned and I like this shade.
Okay. Hi, what and all you learnt in the CCA painting class?
We have learned the different techniques of art,
Okay.
like watercolors, oil pastels, and color pencils. What do you?
Yeah, I also learned that, and I also learned different techniques of coloring like cross hatching, dots, and etc.
We also learned about mixed media, which is actually a very nice technique. That's actually my favorite. And what's your favorite?
Mine is also mixed media because the things that we can do in mixed media are just so nice. For example, we can paint on a cloth, canvas, or anything.
And we can also express whatever we feel like and express our art and our love for art.
Thank you.
Okay, good.